My favorite Clé de Peau products are La Crème, eye cream and multi-repair oil. What I love about La Crème, I love a lot about it, definitely consistency, the way how it makes my skin feel. I do feel glowing and radiant. I think it makes my skin happier for sure. I love Clé de Peau eye cream. I love consistency of it. I know it's impossible, but after application of a cream, I feel that amount of my fine lines at least is reduced. If I would only have one Clé de Peau product, that would be Radiant Multi-Repair Oil. And why? I can use it all over the body, from my toes to my nose.